Hi. Let's solve this puzzle. Here we have a river with a wooden raft in it. On the left side of the river, we have 3 men standing. The orange man has 2 orange bags with him. The green man has 1 green bag with him. And, the pink man does not have a bag with him. Okay. So the task is to shift all the men and their bags from one side of the river to the other side. But there are some rules to follow. Let's see the rules. The rule number 1 says that, the raft can hold either 2 travelers, or 1 traveler with 1 bag. And, the rule number 2 says that, no traveler should be left alone with another traveler's bag. Okay. So, following these rules, we have to solve this puzzle. Before moving forward, you may pause the video here and try to solve the puzzle on your own using pen and paper. And later check your answer. Okay. Let's start. First, the orange man will travel with one of his bags. The orange man will come back. The orange man will travel again, with his another bag. The orange man will come back. Now, the orange man and the pink man will travel together. The pink man will come back alone. Now, the pink man and the green man will travel together. The green man will come back alone. And finally, the green man will travel with his green bag. And bingo! We have solved the puzzle. Thanks for watching.